Hi friends, welcome to Edible Vibes. My father worked in Oman for around 37 years. We were born and brought up there. Some of our fondest childhood memories are of that place. It's an incredible country and the food even better. One of our favorite restaurants was a little Indo-Chinese restaurant called Tijan. They used to have an incredible chicken egg drop soup. It was a warm hug in a bowl. So today, let's see how to make it. First, we are going to make a cornstarch slurry. In a bowl, take 3 teaspoons of cornstarch. Add 1/4 cup of water and mix well to make a slurry. Crack 2 eggs into another bowl. Whisk it well. If it is not well combined, then we will get little blobs of egg in our soup. Now, in a saucepan, take 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To this, add 4 cloves of garlic minced, ½ inch ginger minced. Let this saute till it is no longer raw. Add 2 whole spring onions chopped. Saute it for a few seconds. Now pour 4 cups of chicken stock. Now the chicken stock I am using has a lot of salt in it, so I am not going to add any additional salt to it. But if you are using low sodium stock, then at this point add salt to taste. Now add ½ teaspoon of rice vinegar. If you don't have rice vinegar, you can also use white vinegar instead. Once you can see that the stock is hot, add half a chicken breast diced. Make sure that the chicken is cut really small. The smaller it is, quicker it will cook. Now cover the saucepan and let it cook on a medium heat till the chicken has cooked and the stock has come to a rolling boil. Remove the cover and check if the chicken is cooked through. At this point, add the cornstarch slurry that we had prepared from before into the soup. Cook till the soup has thickened. Now we are going to slowly drizzle the egg into the soup. You have to whisk the soup while pouring the egg. That's how we get the ribbons of egg in the soup. The slower you whisk the soup, the longer the ribbons will be. Faster and the ribbons will be smaller. Since I am preparing this for my kids, I am going for small threads. So I am whisking faster. Once all the egg has been poured into the soup, let the soup come to a simmer. At this point, add 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. You can use white pepper powder or black pepper powder. Let it cook for 1 more minute and then it's ready to be served. This is an excellent soup for winter. Your kids will love it. I hope you liked this video. Like, share and subscribe to see more videos from us. Stay safe, stay healthy. Until next time, happy cooking.